Tired of spinning your wheels searching for wholesale deals? Today, I'm going to show you how to turn Zillow, yes, Zillow, into your personal distressed property goldmine. First, fire up Zillow. Come obvious, right? Now, type in the city or area you're targeting. Be specific. The more targeted you are, the better your results. Let's say we're looking in Phoenix, Arizona. See that filters button? Click it. This is where the magic happens. Scroll down to listing type. Underneath that, check the boxes next to for sale and potential listings. Selecting potential listings will help you identify properties that may be coming onto the market soon, giving you a jump on the competition. Now, let's narrow down the type of properties. Select houses and deselect everything else. We are trying to find single-family homes. Next, set your price range. Think realistically about your target market's buying power. Look for the lower end of the market, where motivated sellers often reside. Let's say $150,000 to $300. Also select the minimum beds and baths. Ensure you find properties with sufficient value. Select a minimum of 2 beds and 1 bath. Here's the secret sauce. Scroll down to keywords and type in words like fixer-upper, needs TLC, handyman special, motivated seller, and investor opportunity. These terms are signals that the property might be distressed or require renovation. Hit apply and bam, Zillow will now display properties that match your criteria. Start clicking through the listings, paying close attention to the photos and descriptions. Look for signs of disrepair, deferred maintenance, or outdated features. These are your potential wholesale deals. Once you find a promising property, do your due diligence. Research the neighborhood, check comparable sales, and most importantly, reach out to the homeowner or listing agent. Remember, wholesaling is all about finding value and connecting buyers with deals. Now get out there and find those hidden gems.